This is a video on ulnar collateral ligament repair, a Tommy John procedure with an internal brace. This is the initial incision and then a careful dissection to identify the ulnar nerve. Then place a vessel loop around the ulnar nerve to retract it out of the field. I then dissect down and I can identify an avulsion of the UCL ligament off of the humeral origin. I then place sutures into the end of the ligament. Using a blunt elevator, I then clear off the humeral origin. I then implant a swivel lock from Arthroscopy. I've drilled the pilot hole, tapped the hole, and then I place the repair sutures through the limb of the UCL into the eyelet. I then impact and then screw in the swivel lock anchor. Then I drill distally, just distal to the insertion of the UCL, and with the fiber tapes I then implant the internal brace distally. I've drilled, tapped, and then I put a freer underneath the internal brace so there's not too much tension. I test with valgus stress before implanting it. Then I impact it in and then screw in the swivel lock. I then range the elbow with the freer underneath the internal brace to check the stability and the tension. And that is the final Tommy John UCL repair with an internal brace.